Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'll be showing you guys how to build the ultimate custom keyboard for under $100. Before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know that some of the video lighting and recording quality is a bit scuffed since I was about to leave for vacation, which you'll see in the video, and I filmed some of it at night. Anyways, no more dilly-dallying, let's get to it. For starters, the kit I'm going to use is the Gas 67. I believe it's currently $67 on KeyMonkey, but I'm pretty sure there's a discount code on their Discord server, making the board only $50. You could also try to buy it from Taobao or AliExpress or something, but I tend to avoid those websites. Maybe I'll try out Taobao sometime though, because there's a lot of good stuff on there. Anyways, for a kit that comes with everything except switches and keycaps, this is an absurdly good deal. Now the switches I'm going with are Gateron Yellows. You can get enough of these to fill a Gas 67 for like 17 bucks, and they're some of the most well-known budget switches in the community. Also, I just had them laying around, so yeah. These have been lubed with Krytox 205G0 and Super Lube oil on the springs and filmed with Duroc films. Finally, I'm going to use some XTA Matcha keycaps because I think they'll look amazing on the black case. They also avoid the north-facing interference from cherry profile keycaps on north-facing switches. They cost anywhere from $22 to $30 on Amazon, and I just had them laying around, so there's that. Now that I've explained all the parts, let's get to the build. While unboxing the Gas 67, you'll find some screw and stabs and a really cool coiled cable that I believe only the first 1,000 people will receive. Next, you'll find the case, which has a polycarbonate plate, silicone dampener, and what looks to be a pre-cut PE foam sheet, which is really cool. You'll find a hot swap PCB, the switch and keycap puller, a hex screwdriver, and finally a little plastic bag full of snacks. Wait, no, it's just gaskets and stuff, never mind. Now I'm going to take apart the keyboard and mod the stabs. Since modding stabs is really boring, I'm just going to use a little bit of magic. Hey look, now they're wholly modded and lubed with Krytox. Awesome. Now we'll just install them with some more magic, and there. Now let's install the silicone and plate and drop in the switches. Dang, that's looking tasty. I mean, good, sorry, I'm just really hungry. Alright, now let's install the gaskets on the bottom and top of the case, and then we'll install the 8 screws that hold it together. Alright, I've just eaten a snack. And we'll install the case feet. Oh, by the way, my phone died while I was recording, so I don't have footage of installing the keycaps. Oh, and also I'm leaving for vacation now, so I guess I'll just finish recording later. Okay, now I'm back. Overall, the board looks pretty clean, and here's a sound test of how it sounds in its stock form. It's pretty good, and the stabs sound really good for how much this kit costs. But the silicone plate dampener mutes the sound much more than I like, and I'm aiming to hit the YouTube algorithm, so obviously I have to make this keyboard sound the way that gets me the most views. I need it to thock. So first what I'll do is disassemble the board and take out the silicone dampener. Next, I'm going to do a 3-layer tape mod on the back of the PCB to help give the board a little bit more character and reach the sound that I'm looking for. Finally, I'm going to throw some polyfill in the case to reduce whatever hollowness there was. Now let's hear the difference between stock and modded. Dang, it turned out even better than I hoped. Taking out the silicone dampener made the board a lot less muted and also helped give the board a little bit more bounce and flex. Overall, if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be leaving you guys with the sound test. Bye!